Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Dynamo Lab. In this video, we will learn some of the most useful keyboard shortcuts in Microsoft Word. These shortcuts help you work faster and smarter. You are typing an assignment or formatting a document. Let's get started. Ctrl plus A, select all. Ctrl plus A selects everything in your document, text, images, tables, all at once. Ctrl plus B, bold, makes your selected text bold. Ctrl plus C, copy, copies the selected text or object to your clipboard. Ctrl plus D, font style. Ctrl plus D opens the font dialog box where you can change font style, size and effects. Ctrl plus E, align to center, centers the selected paragraph or content. Ctrl plus F, find, opens the find tool letting you search for any word or phrase in your document. Ctrl plus G, go to, takes you to a specific page, section or line in your document. Ctrl plus H, replace. Ctrl plus H opens the replace tool. You can find words and replace them automatically. Ctrl plus I, italic text, turns the selected text into italics. Ctrl plus J, justify, justifies your text, aligning it evenly on both left and right sides. Ctrl plus K, hyperlink, inserts a hyperlink. You can link to a website or another file. Ctrl plus L, align left, aligns your text to the left side. Ctrl plus M, indent. Ctrl plus M increases the indent of the current paragraph. Ctrl plus N, new page or document, creates a new blank document. Ctrl plus O, open, opens an existing Word document. Ctrl plus P, print, opens the print dialog box so you can print your document. Ctrl plus Q, clear paragraph formatting, removes paragraph level formatting like indents and spacing. Ctrl plus R, align right, aligns the paragraph to the right side. Ctrl plus S, save, quickly saves your current document. Ctrl plus T, hanging indent. Ctrl plus T creates a hanging indent used often in citation or bibliography formatting. Ctrl plus U, underline, underlines your selected text. Ctrl plus V, paste, paste the content you copied. Ctrl plus W, close, closes the current document or window. Ctrl plus X, cut, removes the selected text and copies it to the clipboard. Ctrl plus Y, redo. Ctrl plus Z, undo. Ctrl plus Z undoes your last action, a real-life server. Thanks for watching. These keyboard shortcuts can save you a lot of time in Word. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Digital Dynamo Lab for more easy tech tutorials. See you in the next one.